What is in medias res? In medias res is a Latin phrase that literally means into the middle of things. This can refer to anything that happens suddenly. It is usually used by authors when writing a story that cuts right into the action, meaning there is no exposition or background of the characters. In other words, it's when you begin a story with the reader knowing no context of why these events are happening. For example, imagine a story of a guy named Bob. And this story begins right in the middle of Bob fighting a dragon. We don't know why Bob is fighting a dragon or how he was there in the first place. As you can see, the story begins in the middle of all the action, unlike a usual story that begins with an exposition or background info. The author can reveal small parts of the backstory through flashbacks or dialogue. So, let's say when Bob is fighting the dragon, he says, "I will save you, Princess Sarah." We, as the readers, can inference that Bob is trying to save the princess from a scary dragon. This is an example of in medias res, used in a story. However, this phrase can be used to describe anything that begins suddenly or be used in its literal sense, into the middle of things.